Welcome, dear children. Today, what we are going to see is the squirrel lesson question answer. Right? So, I'll give you the stanzas for comprehension. From that stanza, I'm going to ask you questions. Let us see the first stanza. Right? He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. This is the first stanza, right? So the information or the content of the paraphrases, the formation of the squirrel's tail that is raised upwards with its tip pointing downwards, it's identical to a question mark. It is blessed with a grey coat and positions itself straight to eat a nut. The squirrel is quite playful as it loves to run the opposite direction that the prank loving human beings take when they run around its tree. Right? This is the content or summary of the first paragraph here. And the multiple choice questions, MCQ question, first one, the squirrel or options are given here. Answer is a coat. When the squirrel raises the tail, four options are given and the correct answer is its tip keeps pointing down. Its tip keeps pointing down. The squirrel's hobby is to do some funny tricks and play. That is the answer. A squirrel likes to play with human beings. If humans ran around, the squirrel wouldn't be frightened. Right? All the answers alone I am saying. And this is a textual question. Why does the poet say the squirrel or a question mark for tail? Change it dear, the spelling mistake. Draw a squirrel or find a picture of a squirrel sitting on the ground. How do you describe its tail? So answer for this is the poet says that the squirrel or a question mark for tail because the tail of a squirrel appears so. The tail of the squirrel appears like a question mark. So the poet is saying, when the squirrel raises it upwards to sit, its tip keeps pointing to the ground, making a sign of interrogation. Interrogation is a question mark. So its tail can be described as long and bushy. Okay. So children, you have to draw the picture of a squirrel. If you are a bad artist like me, then you can paste the picture of a squirrel also. Right? I'm giving you another option. Next question is, do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? What do we say? Think, does an animal wear a coat? Consult a dictionary if you like and find out how wear is used in different ways. So first answer, do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? No. Okay, for that question, no, we do not usually say that an animal wears a tail. What do we say? But we do say that an animal wears a coat. Right? So, dictionary and find the meanings. So, what are the meanings? The different uses of wear: to carry or we have on the body. Next is he wears a wig. This is an example sentence. He wears a wig. He wears a ring. All these we used to say. The second meaning is he wears a smile. Smile. This is an example. And the third one is to cause, to diminish or deteriorate. The waves have worn these rocks. To consume gradually by use or any continued process. Illness has worn the bloom from her face. To retain shape, color, firmness, etc. And usages, it's a strong fabric that will wear. It's a strong fabric that will wear. And the sixth one, the last one, time to pass, especially slowly or tediously. What is the usage? As the day wore on, we grew more discouraged. And the third question is, he liked to tease and play. Who is teasing whom and how? The squirrel teases human beings. It does so when it eats nuts and other fruits which human beings eat. Okay. So that's it for the squirrel. I hope you can able to understand the question and answers of the squirrel poem.